Okay, here we are again over on our CV page, and what we would like to do now is we want to add a video so that people can see us teaching and can see us doing things and we can get that perfect job. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to position my cursor in my post so that when the video does come up, that's where the link will be to the video. So I go over to the top of the post again here to the grayed out buttons there. On the second one from the left, it says add a video. So I click on that. And then it's asking me to choose a file from my computer. So then I go over here, and here's that movie that I want. And it's a great movie of me teaching, so click on that. And it crunches it and uploads it. There we go. And we want to insert that into our post. Okay, and you can see that this is just a link, it's not an embedded video. So after we click update, then we can go back to the tab at the top, click refresh, and the link should show up to our video. And there it is. And then if we click on it, and that's why you should never hit a computer. So far, what I've shown you how to do is to generate a resume or portfolio inside of WordPress, and you would of course have to build that from scratch by typing into the window as we've done before, or uploading pictures or video. Next, what I'm going to show you how to do is upload the documents that you may already have and you may already have generated, say in Microsoft Word, and that's your resume, and you really aren't interested in regenerating that resume in WordPress. So I'm going to show you how to upload those documents that you may already have. Please note we're back on the CV page, and the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over here again to these grayed out icons, and we're going to go to this one that's furthest on the right, and it's going to highlight and say Add Media. So I'm going to click on that. And then, of course, again, I'm going to select a file. Now, I happen to have an old resume here, so I'm going to select that. And it has been uploaded. And now here's a slightly different step. So here we have to select this called the URL link. And I'm going to try and get that to highlight, and then I'm going to copy it. Okay, save all changes. Okay, and that shows me it's been uploaded. And now here's a slightly different step than we've taken before. And what you need to do is go over to these tabs here where it says Visual, and then it says HTML. Click on the HTML tag. The next thing that you're going to have to do is type in the smallest bit of code in order to get this to display correctly. And here's the code that you're going to need. You need a bracket, then you're going to type gview, then file, and then equals, and then you're going to need a quotation mark. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to do a paste command, and that's going to put in that URL that you copied before. I lost my quotation there, so I'll put that back. And then I'm going to put another quotation in at the end and close my bracket, and that's it. And then all you have to do is click Update. And now let's take a look over on our other page. I've gotten rid of some of the things that we did before, so I'll hit refresh. Okay, and there is our CV and our resume. That is a very serious resume that I've used to get hired before. And one of the nice things about this, again, is that you do not have to generate any of this in WordPress. It's also downloadable. And you're also giving your viewer plenty of options where they can choose to zoom in on certain areas, they can zoom out, they can view it in a separate window, they could tile it or go back and forth. So they have several options of how to view it as well. So this is a very good way of displaying some of the documents that you may already have so that you don't have to generate them from scratch.